This is Nashua Geographic, Episode 5, Sightings and Sounds of Birds along Hollis Crossing. My name is johnc.prestidge. The sounds you're going to hear are typical sounds that birds will make. Although a bird may make a variety of calls, one could be during mating, another an alarm or warning, or when just waking up in the morning or late in the evening. But the sounds you're going to hear, as I say, are typical. This is the first sound you're going to hear of the Baltimore Oriole. Next will come the rose-breasted grosbeak. People say it sounds like a robin on steroids. There was a male, and here's its mate. Then we have the tufted titmouse. And then the mourning dove. The pileated woodpecker. Downy and hairy woodpeckers sound very much alike. Here's what the sounds are. The red-bellied woodpecker. Sometimes mistaken for a tree frog, actually. And the northern flicker. Cedar waxwing. The red-breasted and white-breasted nuthatch make songs very similar. Now the sure sign of spring is a red-winged blackbird. And its rather drab mate. Brown-headed cowbird. And the purple grackle. And the black-capped chickadee. And the blue jay. This is a pine siskin. Some of these birds make sounds that are not in the audible range for humans. This may be one of them. This is a Carolina wren. He's rather raucous. These were recorded in the wintertime. This is a house finch. Beautiful sound. This is a goldfinch in its summer plumage. And then you will see it in its winter plumage. Cheerful little bird. The American tree sparrow. And the tree swallow. of our most favorite birds, the eastern bluebird. And its fledglings. And the song sparrow. The chipping sparrow. And the white-crowned sparrow. The American robin. The slate-colored junco. Pretty bird, very clean. And the cardinal, beautiful red bird. Its mate is not quite as red, but it is also quite beautiful. Now we will see its mate. Evening grosbeak. The catbird. The first sound is going to be the warning. Then you hear the mating song. Early morning, we hear this. The mockingbird. Eastern kingbird. Phoebe. The great crested flycatcher. The sandpiper. Seagull. And the great blue herons. The mallard. This next group of ducks all have a similar sound, very much like the mallard, but slightly different. But we'll go along with the mallard as kind of the standard. We saw the common merganser, we saw the wood duck, the male wood duck there, the hooded merganser. Here's a pair of scops that came in during migration. And this is a black duck pair. And then we're going to see the Eurasian widgeon, which is another migratory bird. The Canada goose, which we've heard over and over and over. The red-tailed hawk. This is a broad-winged hawk. Cooper's hawk. These are the ospreys, the fishhawk. They make a sound similar to an eagle, but not quite as changeable. It's more of a peep, beep, 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 beep sort of sound. But they're beautiful and fun to watch. Here's the vulture. And then we're going to see the great egret, and it is a symbol of the Audubon Society. Here's the bald eagle. the great horned owl. Now, the double-crested cormorant doesn't have much of a song that we would even bother recording, so I just show it. Interesting bird. Crow. American crow and a fish crow. All about the same. The mute swans. By definition, the mute swan is mute. He doesn't have a song, but they do occasionally make a sound, especially when two of the males, the cobs, are going after each other to establish a territory. But they are beautiful, fun to watch. The belted kingfisher. Finally, the smallest of them all, the ruby-throated hummingbird. So those are most of the sounds and sightings of the birds on Hollis Crossing. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's been a pleasure to see the birds and to hear them, and I realize that these are only typicals. There's a lot of different sounds and songs that the birds make, but it's been a pleasure, and it always will be. Thank you.